How to connect Zoho Mail to WordPress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect our Zoho Mail to our WordPress over here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our plugins over here on the left side. And when you're connecting any products or any application to your WordPress, you're actually going to need to go to your plugins over here. And in this section, simply search for Zoho Mail, click on discover or enter, and you will be able to see the plugins available for Zoho Mail. So simply select the one that is appropriate for you, as you can see here, and simply install and activate our Zoho plugin over here. And then later on, after you successfully install this, it will now be available on the left side over here. It could either be an additional button or under your plugins option over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.